Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to change the oil on our Tohatsu 20 horsepower outboard engine. If you find our video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Firstly, tilt up the outboard motor and lock the tilt with a tilt stopper. Turn the steering on the outboard motor so that the drain hole is facing downward. Be sure to have something to catch the oil once you remove the oil drain screw. Then drain the oil completely. You will need to reset the engine to vertical position and repeat the tilt up and drain procedure 2 to 7 times to drain the oil fully from the engine. Make sure you replace the old oil drain washer with a new one and apply oil on the sealing surface. Next, remove the filler cap. Fill the engine through the filler hole with the recommended oil. You will need approximately 1,200 milliliters of oil with an oil filter replacement. Without an oil filter replacement, you will need approximately 1,000 milliliters of oil. Click on the link below for our oil filter change video. The oil should be filled to the middle of the dipstick mark.